Hey, it's already written on the packaging. There's a collaboration with Bose speakers. Wow! The one I have here is in a light purple color with an integrated cold carved glass back and a glossy transparent lens module design. On the right side, there's the co-branded logo with Bose. I knew someone would pretentiously say, doesn't it look like it? Well, what does it look like? Come on, show the picture! This design was already used on the Redmi K90 Unboxing, but this time the color scheme and design, especially the large R-angle treatment of the middle frame and camera module, make it feel more refined. If you don't believe it, I'll cover the Redmi logo and you tell me if it looks like a flagship phone from another brand. The middle frame and the connection at the back have been edged, and combined with this 6.59 body size, it feels very fitting in the hand, so those who like small-sized phones should also like this feel. The front screen also features the familiar large R corners, as it uses the same screen as the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. The material is the same, and it even includes super pixels. For eye protection, it not only has full DC dimming, but also original light 2.0. Of course, ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking and IP68 plus IP69 are standard features. It's well known that the speakers have been upgraded this time. Although it doesn't have a real subwoofer like the Pro Max, the stereo speakers tuned by Bose still deliver a very good effect. You can listen to it.
The weather in Keelung is changeable with floating clouds, gray and gloomy clouds. I haven't seen you for several days. The movie ticket and receipt are still in my pocket, but I'm not used to being without you. Bring your large caliber.
The standard version uses the Snapdragon 8 Ultimate Edition processor. As I mentioned before, the performance of this processor is still at flagship level this year. It can run any large game at full frame rate. The key point is the reasonable price. Especially as a standard version, it comes with a 7100 mAh large battery. The size is bigger and the battery is bigger, which makes sense. It also supports 100 watt wired fast charging. Overall, making a standard version of the Redmi T90 ensures extreme balance while also providing a rare sense of refinement. Of course, it has a smart aspect, which is not following the trend of making a 6.3-inch small size. The 6.59-inch size ensures a good hand feel, accommodates a large battery, and doesn't compete with the flagship. The product positioning is very clear.
We can't wait. The whole team of Bose is excited for this product launch.
In the industry, it's an unprecedented bold move. The mobile phone industry has evolved to this day, with continuous innovations in image and screen performance, but audio has always been a niche area. You may not realize it, but mobile phones have actually become the primary device for audio use. People are accustomed to visible leaps but ignore the quality that can be heard. We are not making a big deal out of nothing. It's a big issue, and no one is addressing it.
To ensure proper marination, we have broken it down into 22 specific areas, all led by golden ear experts covering the entire chain from software to hardware.
The reconstruction technical indicators are traceable. However, the aesthetics of sound are subjective, and we need to find that universally recognized highest standard, so we found the boss. An expert with 60+ years in audio.
Miniaturizing high-fidelity audio has always been a core focus so that users can enjoy perfect sound anywhere with any content.
To get good sound in a phone, the first step is ensuring it has real bass. Bass is key for high-end sound. For sound to have depth, there must be highs and lows. To achieve good bass, you need ample space. However, stacking would be the first to object. Increasing the phone's thickness by 0.mm is seen as excessive.
Indeed, to tackle this particular issue, we are planning to incorporate a new, significantly larger 1620 unit on the rear side of the phone.
Inch key to ensuring top quality for us.
Spent over 100 days in the lab, overturning and rebuilding over a dozen stacking schemes.
The entire mobile department worked together to finalize this plan. Under the premise of maintaining today's dive, we achieved the top-notch texture.
The phone has real bass, but the first step of tuning stumped us, and it also stumped the boss.
Achieving balanced sound for a smartphone presents a unique challenge. This is our first attempt.
We audaciously considered the implementation of a 2.1-channel stereo system within the phone, and the tuning methodology is entirely distinct.
The algorithms have all been redone. The low frequencies present a challenge, and achieving balance is also difficult in terms of crossover points and sound imaging. Some fine adjustments are needed in terms of phase as well.
It's crucial to reorganize the channels in the software path and duplicate the stereo audio from the top layer.
We spend a lot of time working on retaining detail and vocals pinned to the center of the screen.
这3个扬声器在手机里面形成了一个完美的2.1声道布局。
People use phones for music, gaming, movies, different scenes, different needs. We tune the phone for each listening experience to ensure high-quality audio.
比如说像电影的声音，就做了一些对白增强和空间音频的算法，那些体验的感觉一下就有了。
这个就是我们要带给用户的声音。K90 Pro Max 是我听我的音效里边最好的手机。
I think we've finally brought Bose Bass and iconic high-fidelity audio to a smartphone.
我们所有的努力，最终一定会被用户听见。